Ho ho ho, and the last time this year I'm gonna say ho ho ho. So I don't wanna say like I know I've been busy, you know, some of the days on the Try Hack Me events. And today it's also one of the days that I've been really, really busy. I just found myself like 10 minutes, and in that amount of time, I have to record this video, I have to create the thumbnail, have to upload on YouTube. Maybe it's gonna even take 15, but today's room is pretty easy. It's a straightforward look through. Gonna go ahead and check out, the traffic log analysis and search for MQTT as a filter. And from that, you can pretty easily find, the flag you're gonna need to find, and that will give you the answer here down below, as I already showed you the flag. I'm really sorry I cannot go through the room today. I am really, really tired. We've been having a family Christmas day all day long. It's almost 10 o'clock in the night, which is like 10 p.m. I think in American terms, if I'm not mistaken. So I'm really tired. I woke up really early, and I peeled potatoes and all these kind of things for like a few hours for like 10 people. So it's been a busy day. I'm sorry for not to been able to, go through the room today. But I really hope that you enjoyed the rooms here on Try Hack Me, the Advent of Cyber. It's always a fun, thing to do. The Advent of Cyber Days. This year I definitely gave my feedback that I felt that, we need to get more of the hack that is in Try Hack Me, not the Try Blue Team or Try Lock Me, because too much has been with locking and stuff, too little with hacking in my eyes. The story, they're doing a great job at Try Hack Me creating these stories, and when you look at it, there is plenty enough of the red stuff that is a part of hacking, but I just still feel like that we need to do a bit more than that. I would like to see more compromised servers, a bit more, getting access to servers and doing actual hacking, a bit more of that. I know it's going to probably create a lot of text and tutorials, but, we can always try, and see, to give feedback. I never been invited to any of these events. I think I have a suspicion why. But anyways, I really enjoy this room on Try Hack Me. I will still promote their, website. I think it's a splendid site to learn about cybersecurity and hacking. And any day, choose Try Hack Me over stuff like Hack the Box. Whenever you're good enough, you can always migrate over to Hack the Box, which is also a bit more professional, because you can get real certifications that are actually real certification with real exams and tests. You cannot do that and Try Hack Me. So really, I just want to say thank you for following along, and the rest of this year we have left, I'm going to try and, create a few videos or so. So have a really nice Christmas, guys, and I see you again really soon.